everyone, today let's start with chapter number 7, more on Scratch. So in this more blocks in Scratch, so in this chapter I will tell you about the different blocks and parts of Scratch. So let's study about the parts of Scratch first, right? You can look at the screen. This is the stage area where you make a drawing. So it is similar to the stage in the play. This is where everything will take place. The stage can have different background. For example, if you want to program a game or animate character, this is the place where your sprite can be seen. Sprite refers to the main character of the Scratch project, and it is programmed by the learner so that it can perform action on the stage. Or just sprites है, they are available in the sprite menu. A user can either use a sprite from the library or create one as well as कि वो create भी कर सकता है. Now coding area, it tells the sprite what to say or do, कि आपको क्या कहना है और क्या करना है वो बताता है. So we can say that a learner can easily drag block out of the programming pathway and simply assemble them in a proper order. और आप अपना action को perform भी कर सकते हैं. So we can say that block menu, this element consists of collection of script block. जो आपकी different action perform करता है like motion, control, sensing and blocks. Menu bar contains button, जैसा आपका file हो गया, edit हो गया. Then we have tabs. We have 3 tabs in Scratch, जैसा आपका code, costume and sound. Sprite information located just beneath the stage area. It display every aspects of sprite and background that were used in a project. और जो sprite है, it is size can be altered as well as in addition and deletion. Now we have category block, like we have motion block, sensing block, look block, operations, variable, sound, event, my block and the control. First is motion block. Motion blocks are the blocks that are used to direct a sprite move. They have blue color and we have some common motion blocks, right, which gives sprites an ability to advance by number of steps specified in the textbook. At the point when we consume what? Less sign and the sprites goes in reserve and move 10 steps back. Now allow the sprite to turn in clockwise bearing by the given degree and the block turns sprite in anti-clockwise heading by given degree. Right? To instruct the sprite to follow the two choices, use either random position or the mouse point. If the sprite goes too close to the edge of the screen, what happens? The blocks, क्या होता है? It's flip out. Now look blocks. Purple color blocks are looks block. So how a sprite appears in the stage, it is controlled by कि कैसे आपका sprite दिखेगा स्टेज, वो कौन कंट्रोल करता है? आपका look block, right? So we have hello for 2 seconds. Image utilize the block to add discourage air pocket to sprite and give a like a flash. Hello block adds a discourage air pocket to a sprite with the given text until the another speech of thought is activated. जब तक दूसरा speech है वो activated now. Think home for 2 seconds, add the sprite text and thought bubble to the sprite for the specified amount of time. Now think home shows the hide bubble, the idea of bubble with the given text until another speech thought block is active. Right? Next is change color. Alter the sprite by choosing effect and here are 7 effects: color, fisheye, brill, mosaic, pixelated, brightness and ghost. Clear graphic effect, it resets sprite graphic effects and they will be reset to their default value for of 0. Now we have sound block. ये आपको पिंक कलर में दिखा, देखो कलर कैसा है, पिंक. They direct function of sound. ये function of sound को direct करते हैं. And using sound blocks, we can add music to our Scratch project. And you can even save your voice recording. ठीक है, आप अपनी voice recording को भी save कर सकते हैं, right? It can be played with sprite. Block does not cause the script as it plays a sound. The sound choice are your and are recorded sound. कैसे sound होती है? Recorded होती है. Now blocks play a sound by putting a pause in the script until the sound is over. Meow and any recorded sounds are available as sound options to shut down all the sound being played on all the script. और जो block है वो क्या करेगा? जितने भी current active sound effects उनको delete कर देगा. Event block, ये आपको येलो इन कलर मिलेगा. Event में क्या होता है? Something that happens because of something else that happened before, right? तो event and script जो होते हैं वो startups are controlled by events and blocks. They are yellow in variety and when the go button of the green flag is clicked, the block start the script. So what happened? Block puts the script into action with the selected key is pressed and you can select any option. आप कोई ही option को select कर सकते हैं When you click the sprite, block turns on the sprite. When the same block need to be repeated multiple times. भाई control block क्या है? अगर आपको same ही block को multiple time repeat करना है तो हम control block का use करते हैं, right? Block stops the running of the content of number of seconds, and you can utilize the blocks when two move or talk blocks are coming consistent, right? A set of block is repeated a certain number of times with the repeat block, और जो block है it is used to draw shapes. इससे आप shapes draw कर सकते हैं where you need to go, right? Until the stop button is pressed, the forever block continues to repeat. And similar to repeat block, this one automatically expands to accommodate the block you snap inside. Let's practice computational thinking by writing the script of the cat. Now setting the scribe position. अब आपको जो scribe की position है उसको एक proper place पे setup करना. So the stage is separated into various upsides x and y. Each spot on the stage is comprised of both x and y value, and the sprite horizontal position, मतलब from left to right, is indicated by value of x, and the sprite is vertical, means from top to bottom. Right? And what you can do that block makes it easier to set a sprite position. मतलब beginning of the sprite को वो easily set कर. Right? This is all about in this chapter of the scribe. Hope you understood. Now we will meet in the next class. Thank you.